How to fix Steam the Xenia Assertion failed 2025. So you have some sort of pop-up that looks a bit something like this. There are a few options you can do to go ahead and possibly fix this issue. So the first thing you can do is to force a stable Proton version. So there are reports that this can resolve the issue. You can do this by installing the GE-Proton 9-27 version using Proton up-qt and navigate to emulation tools, then launchers. Create a new plain text file name exactly like this and paste this line inside. So you can go ahead and copy that. Save and run Xenia again and from the emutech. This ensures Xenia uses the stable Proton build instead of whatever Proton experimental may assign. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and update replace Xenia Canary builds. So you can do this by downloading the latest Xenia Canary.exe from the Xenia Canary GitHub releases. Overwrite your existing one in emulations, ROMs, and Xbox 360. And for an optional move, you can edit the Xenia-canary.config.toml to set GPU equals D3D12 for DX12 instead of Vulkan. You can also go ahead and delete Xenia's Proton prefix, which is a reset configuration. So if swapping Protons or builds can't help, you can launch Xenia once. If it can fail, if that's okay, you can go ahead and try that again. In EmuSDEX emulation tools, open proton-launch.log. Find the PFX path and it could look something like this, something similar. You go ahead and find that. Delete that folder to reset Wine's prefix and run Xenia again. A fresh prefix will be generated. And for another step, one of the last steps, is to use game mode compatibility settings in your Steam. For seamless integration, add your game manually if needed in Steam. Go to the properties of the game and then compatibility. Enable use custom Proton and select GE-Proton 9-27. In launch options, you can finally add this to avoid UI issues. But anyways, hopefully the information can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.